How to turn on voice isolation for iPhone phone calls. Let's get started. If you've ever had trouble hearing your own voice over background noise, this is going to be a game changer for you. First, to use voice isolation, you need to be on a live call. So go ahead and make a call, or pick up an incoming call. Once you're connected, swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. You'll see a little button called Mic Mode. It looks like a microphone. Tap on it and you'll see a few options pop up. Standard, voice isolation, and wide spectrum. Select voice isolation, and just like that, the feature is activated. What voice isolation does is it focuses on your voice and reduces background noise, so the person on the other end of the line hears you clearly, even if you're in a noisy place. This feature works for regular phone calls, but not for FaceTime or VoIP calls, like WhatsApp or Zoom calls. If you're tired of sounding muffled during calls, voice isolation is definitely worth trying. It's a simple yet effective feature to make your calls much clearer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.